An inspector or retail buyer asks for your recall procedure on Tuesday, and you do not want to be building it from scratch in a Word doc at midnight. Farm Documents is at plantmood.farm, the compliance layer of the farm manager. Sign in, select your farm in the top bar, and open Documents in the manager sidebar. This is for growers who sell to shops, restaurants, or certification schemes. Anyone who needs written traceability, hygiene, and recall paperwork without a separate document stack. Standard and Pro plans include PDF downloads. The page still lets you fill profiles and forms on free. The workflow is simple. Fill your farm profile once, and the platform generates PDFs from data you already log in the manager. A link to the certifications page shows which certification asks for which document. Expand a certification there to see its list of farm documents to prepare. The farm profile is a collapsible panel with a completion bar. More fields filled means more accurate PDFs. Edit display name, legal business name, country, city, email, and phone. Country drives the food business registration checklist steps later. Open ad, more detail for address, growing systems, sales flags, food authority name and registration, recall coordinator, water source, and testing frequency. Save stores compliance fields for the whole team. Only the farm owner can edit contact and location fields. Team members can still save compliance details. Below the profile, optional export date filters narrow batch-linked exports to a specific period. Leave them blank to include all time. The page has two types of documents. The first type is profile and form documents. You fill in a few fields and download. These cover the product recall and withdrawal procedure, worker health and hygiene policy, labeling compliance checklist, annual food safety review, and the food business registration checklist with country-specific steps. Expand a card, add your details, and download the PDF. The second type is auto-generated from your manager data. The lot traceability log links batches to crops, dates, recipes, and sales, available as PDF or CSV. The harvest and packing record, seed lot and supplier record, and input and chemical records log pull from your harvested batches, seed inventory, and transactions. The mock recall report traces one batch forward to customers and backward to inputs. Pick a batch from the drop-down or use your most recent. These documents need batches, inventory, and sales already logged in the manager to populate correctly. PDFs are built in your browser. Filled document content is not sent to PlantMood servers for rendering. If downloads are blocked, the farm owner may need a standard or pro plan, upgradable under my account, then billing. One profile, 10 document types, data you already log in the manager. Worth opening before your first retail audit or gap inspection. Find it under Manager, then Documents. Link is in the description.